Good morning, you're through to the Zinc Maps Help Desk. This is Sam speaking. Can I take your name and the company you're calling from?
Welcome to Zinc, this is Lauren, how can I help?
Can I take your full name and the company you're working with? Can I get the job number, please?
I'm really proud of Zinc. We set out to solve a problem with compliance and efficiency in approval, and we've absolutely done that. And we know that because we're now working with well over 120 life science companies in about 165 countries, and we're the market leader.
Zinc were the first to bring a private cloud software compliance system to market. Our knowledge and domain expertise is unsurpassed. But what really sets Zinc apart is our service.
Zinc really cares about its customers. We like to work collaboratively with our clients, and we like to be seen as partners rather than vendors.
Well, Zinc was born of the frustration of working with legacy approval processes in a life science company. I'd spent about 10 years at a pharma company, and the processes that we worked with were very slow, very inefficient. They lacked transparency completely. So we built Zinc really to deal with that challenge. By using Zinc, clients are far better able to comply with the local regulations, so they have real confidence that everything that they produce is compliant with their product licenses.
The regulatory environment around the life science industry has changed considerably over the last few years and grown ever more stringent. Across the globe, the need for compliance is highlighted daily, and our clients need to remain vigilant.
Penalties for non-compliance are huge. They can reach into the billions of dollars and even have criminal liability. Zinc understands that. We know the industry and have in-depth knowledge of local and global regulations. We feed all that knowledge back into our team and our product.
Zinc is designed to manage the global workflow and approval of content for life science companies. So everything from advertisements to SOPs to packaging and labelling flows through our system. It's a really good way of pulling together disparate groups of reviewers and approvers and making sure that they can comment in a really structured way on materials. Zinc also holds a great audit trail, so you always know what's been approved by whom and when. You can go back and search legacy materials. One of the key things about Zinc is it joins together global approvers. They can jump in and review that material from anywhere in the world, but using any device. It could be a laptop, an iPad, a smartphone, and that makes them really responsive.
There's a very strong link between the client services team and the development team at Zinc, and that's great because it means that the development team get direct feedback from the end users on features and functionality that we then build into the product.
Customers are overwhelmingly positive about Zinc. They'll often make comments about particular enhancements that would help make their working lives easier. I'll feed those suggestions back to my development team, and they'll tell me how they can action each of those points.
We actively seek feedback from our global user network and constantly relay that back to our development team. This feedback ensures Zinc keeps evolving.
There are a number of routes for user feedback, from help desk to account managers to our user forums. The user forums are really important. We run 6 of these a year in the US, in Europe and Asia Pacific, and what we get there are high-level inputs from senior people within our client base who really understand what Zinc needs to do in the future.
We're constantly looking to innovate the product, bring new technologies into the tool to make sure that we're giving the user the best user experience that we can.
Data security is probably one of the #1 areas that we're concerned about with Zinc. We really want to make sure that our clients' data is completely secure and that there's no risk of any data contamination or data loss. So we work very hard with our hosting suppliers globally to make sure we are in gold standard hosting environments and we've got fantastic backup.
We have a single tenant application architecture within a private cloud, and this ensures from a data security point of view there's no risk of data contamination. It also benefits the client from a compliance point of view. We work with clients individually to make sure that we upgrade their application in line with their timescales and to ensure that their validation status is not broken.
The entire client-facing account team has been recruited from a life science industry background. We understand the challenges that our clients face daily because we've lived and breathed them.
Zinc's a software as a service business, and we really think the service element of that is vital. We built a business that really looked after our clients. We've invested very heavily in global help desk and great account managers who understand the client needs. I think a lot of businesses talk about great customer service, but genuinely service sits at the heart of everything we do at Zinc.
We're not a company that's content to sit back and be satisfied with what we've accomplished so far. We're always striving to be better and to be the very best that we can be.
I genuinely think Zinc is really different, actually, and it comes down to that focus on service. We really believe that the quality of the product is critical. We have to have cutting-edge technology for our clients. We've really brought that to market. But what is so powerful about Zinc is the great focus on customer service and the really, really deep knowledge of the life science industry that we can bring to our clients.
Good evening, this is the Zinc Maps Help Desk. How can I help you tonight?
El trabajo en este momento está con María. Quisieras que lo... Okay, muchísimas gracias.
We'll feed that back to our development team, and if they have any updates for you, I'll get back to you as soon as possible.